To restore a configuration from the portal, go to the robot and click on Parameters. Refresh the config with the green arrow and make sure the robot is correctly up to date to the last version. We used the configuration save last time only if we have the same version of software in the robot. Here we have 471 Tornado RC3. We can see that we can use the last configuration because the arrow is in blue. Click on the arrow blue and push the configuration to the robot. Your last save is now implemented in the robot. When it's correctly sent, you can use the robot.